Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can copy and paste folders in the Files app on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Files, or you can open up Files from the app Library. In here, tap on Browse, tap at the bottom, and then in the Locations section at the top, open up your drive. In here, we go to the folder that has the files or the folders that you want to copy and paste. Touch and hold on the folder that you want to copy. From the pop-up menu, tap on the copy item. Next, go to the location where you want to paste the folder. So I want to paste it here on the root of my iPhone. So I'm going to touch and hold. Then from the pop menu, tap on the paste button, and this will paste the item. So you can see here, it make a copy of the test folder, and it will paste it at the root of my iPhone, at the root folder in my iPhone. And that is how you can copy and paste folders for items. For images or other items, you can also copy and paste them as well. So you can select copy, and you can also paste it. So just going to see, you can't paste it in here, so I'm going to go into a different folder. So let's say I go in here and I can paste it in here. And that is how you can paste selected files. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.